Everyone, it's Ed at Are You Cars. This is our 2018 BMW X2 20D XDrive M Sport with the 8-speed auto, finished in Misano blue, which I think is stunning. Got the LED headlights with the DRL, your gloss black front grills, full shadow line pack, your 20-inch alloys, which are all in beautiful condition. The car is gorgeous and it does drive without fault. Got your parking sensors on the rear with your rear camera as well. Your reg number there for any checks you may wish to carry out. Twin exhausts. This is a ULEZ 6 vehicle, so it's obviously, Euro 6 ULEZ compliant vehicle. I will get my words out. And yeah, I don't think you'll find a nicer one than this. A proper looking car. We'll show you inside. It has got the black leather. We'll begin with the boot as usual. Power tailgate, I forgot. Good sized boot with your mats there that the valeters have nicely placed, all neat and tidy there in the middle for me, look. No nasty smells or dog hairs or anything like that. With your storage under the boot floor and your parcel shelf and your power tailgate. All works as it should. We've got the black Dakota with the blue stitch and the Isofix. Your ambient lighting, your Harman Kardon, perforated backrests. Absolutely proper stunning bit of kit. In the front, same again. Seats are all lovely, very clean, with the ambient lighting, your 3-spoke steering wheel, folding mirrors, electric windows. We'll just start the car for you. Other than fuel light, there are no warnings. 66,769 miles. Head-up display, if you can just about make it out there. Cruise control, paddle shift. Big screen nav, it's got the media pack as well, with your DAB, Bluetooth, USB, etc. Telephone, navigation of course. Reverse camera, as I mentioned. Really well spec'd for one of these. Heated seats, dual climate control, your cup holders in the centre. All the switch gears very nice. With your storage and your USB under the armrest. And your telephone cradle, should you require. Your handbooks are in the glove box. And yeah, that is that. Big fan of this car. First one we've had. Think you'll struggle to find a nicer one. Get involved, give us a call, 01509 267 111. Don't forget, we do offer finance and we work with a number of brokers to try and find you the best deal we can. Thanks for watching.